Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
WhatsApp Business Platform for Developers, Lecture 6. In this lecture, we will learn about why automated notifications and transactional messages matter, implementing automated notifications and transactional messages, the power of chatbots and virtual assistants for customer support, setting up chatbots and virtual assistants for customer support, managing conversation history and message threads, handling message replies and customer interactions. Why automated notifications and transactional messages matter. In today's fast-paced digital world, customers expect instant gratification. They want to know that their orders have been received, shipped, and delivered without having to constantly check in. This is where automated notifications and transactional messages come in. By utilizing these tools, businesses can keep their customers informed every step of the way, from order confirmation to delivery tracking. But it's not just about keeping customers informed. Automated notifications and transactional messages also help to increase engagement and build trust. By providing timely updates and personalized messaging, businesses can show their customers that they value their patronage and are dedicated to providing the best possible experience. Implementing automated notifications and transactional messages. Step 1. Identify the types of automated notifications and transactional messages that will be most useful for your customers. This could include order confirmations, shipping updates, and account activity alerts. Step 2. Choose a platform or service provider that can help you set up and manage your automated notifications and transactional messages. Look for one that offers easy integration with your existing systems and provides robust reporting and analytics tools. Step 3. Customize your messages to match your brand voice and tone, and make sure they are clear and concise. Consider adding personalization elements like customer names and order details to make them more engaging. Step 4. Test your messages thoroughly before sending them out to ensure that they are error-free and deliver the intended message. Use A or B testing to optimize your messaging and improve engagement rates. Step 5. Monitor your results regularly and make adjustments as needed. Use the analytics provided by your platform or service provider to track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics. The power of chatbots and virtual assistants for customer support. Chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer support by providing quick and efficient solutions to common problems. They can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to processing orders and resolving complaints. One reason for their increasing popularity is that they are available 24/7, which means customers can get the help they need at any time of the day or night. Additionally, chatbots and virtual assistants can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, which reduces wait times and improves overall customer satisfaction. Setting up chatbots and virtual assistants for customer support. To set up chatbots and virtual assistants for customer support, follow these steps. 1. Choose a chatbot or virtual assistant platform that meets your needs and budget. 2. Define the workflows and processes that you want your chatbot or virtual assistant to automate. 3. Create a conversational flow that guides customers through common scenarios and questions. 4. Train your chatbot or virtual assistant using real customer interactions to improve accuracy and relevance. 5. Integrate your chatbot or virtual assistant with your existing customer support tools and systems. 6. Test your chatbot or virtual assistant thoroughly before deploying it to customers. Managing conversation history and message threads. Effective management of conversation history and message threads is crucial for maintaining good customer relationships. By keeping track of previous interactions, you can provide better support and personalized service to your customers. One of the key benefits of managing conversation history is that it allows you to quickly reference past conversations and pick up where you left off with a customer. This can save time and help you avoid asking the same questions multiple times. Additionally, by keeping track of the customer's preferences and needs, you can tailor your future interactions to better meet their needs. To effectively manage conversation history and message threads, consider using a CRM system or other customer support software. Be sure to keep detailed notes on each interaction, including any issues or concerns the customer raised, as well as any solutions or workarounds that were provided. Finally, be sure to review the conversation history before each new interaction to ensure that you have all the information you need to provide effective support. Handling message replies and customer interactions. When it comes to handling message replies and customer interactions, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, it's important to be responsive. Customers expect timely responses, so make sure you're checking your messages regularly and responding as quickly as possible. Another important factor is empathy. Put yourself in your customer's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This will help you respond in a way that is both helpful and compassionate. Finally, be proactive. Anticipate your customers' needs and offer solutions before they even have to ask. By doing so, you'll build trust and loyalty with your customers. Conclusion. In conclusion, notifications and customer support play vital roles in enhancing the overall customer experience and satisfaction. Notifications serve as important communication tools that keep customers informed about important updates, events, and actions related to their interactions with a product or service. They help to establish transparency, build trust, and ensure timely and relevant information reaches customers. Effective notification systems allow customers to customize their preferences, ensuring they receive the right information through their preferred channels. By providing clear and concise notifications, businesses can minimize confusion and frustration, improving customer engagement and retention. Customer support, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in addressing customer queries, concerns, and issues. It serves as a bridge between the customer and the business, providing assistance and guidance throughout the customer journey. A robust customer support system ensures prompt responses, empathy, and personalized solutions, which are key factors in building strong customer relationships. By combining well-designed notifications with efficient customer support, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. Timely notifications keep customers informed, while reliable and empathetic customer support resolves their problems effectively, leading to positive experiences. Moreover, a proactive approach to addressing customer concerns can turn unhappy customers into brand advocates. To leverage the power of notifications and customer support, businesses should invest in technology solutions that streamline communication, automate repetitive tasks, and empower support agents with relevant customer information. They should also regularly assess and refine their notification and support processes based on customer feedback and changing needs. Overall, a well-implemented notifications and customer support strategy can significantly contribute to a business's success by fostering positive customer experiences, strengthening relationships, and driving long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.